Welcome to Error Genie. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops Error LUA menu missing DLC local on PS5. If your multiplayer mode isn't working properly, follow these simple steps to get it up and running again. Step 1. Start by going to the Call of Duty launcher on your PS5. This is where you'll find all the available Call of Duty titles. Step 2. On your PS5 controller, press the Options button, the one with 3 lines next to the triangle button. Step 3. Use the L1 button to scroll over to the Settings tab represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find Manage Files. Select this option to continue. Step 5. In the Manage Files section, look for the option to download the Black Ops multiplayer and campaign modes. Simply select Download and it will install the multiplayer mode without charging you again. And that's it. Your Call of Duty Black Ops multiplayer mode should now be properly installed and working on your PS5. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides and gaming tips. Thanks for watching.